Indian Institute of Space Science Technology invites applications for project fellow. Indian Institute of Space Science Technology is looking for project positions to work under a research project, and the requisite qualifications are this post JPF 2/21. The requisite education qualifications is bachelor degree in electronics engineering or electronics and communication engineering or power electronics. So the number of vacancies is just one vacancy, and the consolidated monthly remuneration is 20,000 for all the junior fellowship, that is project fellowship. For the post of JPF 03/2021, the bachelor degree in mechanical engineering or aerospace engineering or manufacturing engineering is required. The number of vacancies are just one, and for the JPF 4/2021, the requisite qualification is MSc in physics or BTech in physics or BE in electronics engineering and electronics and communication engineering and power electronics. So candidates who have done their bachelor degree, that is Bachelor of Technology in Electronics Engineering and Communication, are eligible to apply for two posts, that is JPF 2/21 and JPF 4/2021. So the vacancies are just one vacancy. So this is the project, and the remuneration will be 20,000. So the age limit, maximum age limit is 35 years as of 8/9/2021. And only Indian national can apply. All the degrees mentioned above should be the first class, and candidates should possess the required qualification, and candidates are advised to upload the relevant certificates such as mark sheet, degree or PG or PhD certificate if experience certificate at the time of registration and in the online application. So the tenure of JPF is 8 months or coterminous with the project, whichever is earlier. So this is just 8 months. So it is the greatest opportunity. The institute reserves rights to terminate the appointment at any time of the completion of tenure, and application received only online will be considered for processing under any circumstances. And the applications will not be allowed to make any change in the profile registration once it is submitted. And the facility of online submission will be available from 27/8/2021 to 8/9/2021 up to 5 o'clock, 17 hours. So if you are an employer, there should be no objection certificate required by the concerned authority, either state or central or PSU undertaking. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for written test or interview, as in the case of a candidate possessing the advertised qualification, skill, experience alone will be allowed to attend the written test. And JPF is not entitled for any hostel facility. You can just visit this website and you can apply online for this post. Official site of Indian Institute of Space Science Technology, and just click on for online registration. Here you will be directed to that page, and this is application for project fellow, online application dated 27/8/2021. Just click on, you will be directed to this page. This is the way you need to apply for the project fellow and Indian Institute of Space Science Technology. The link for this website is given in the description. You can just take that, click on this and register.